Okay. Here in the book also it is given in the at the top of your book, page number 199. There are given some graphical linear inequalities. How to write them in mathematical notation, in mathematical terms. I think you know it. How to write number A. If you use the rival x, then how to write this for A number? How to write? How to write linear inequalities? Linear inequality in single variable using x. How to express mathematically? A number. A number. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, you forgot. Not revising. So easy to forget. Nothing to do. If you don't open the book, if you
Greater or
don't,
equal to 2.
little bit near to that, not exactly.
Sir, x is
Mathematics is
equals to greater to 2. Greater than
here no equal. Here just you have to say x is greater than 2. Yeah. Anyway, you write near to that, but don't say equal. Similarly, B number. How to write mathematically? B number. Okay.
x is smaller than 1.
Yeah, x is less than. Okay, smaller than 1. Okay, you have idea. Try to remind them what you happen. But here we are going to learn more than that. Certainly, this is the upper class, so it becomes difficult than that. Anyway, you have idea and you can do. Okay, let's see here. The graph of linear inequality in one variable is a number. Okay, is a number line. That is number line. Number line means where we can fill up the numbers, counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, any type of number we can fill up in the number line. So use an open circle for less than and greater than. When to use open circle and when to use closed circle. Okay, it means dark circle. Open circle means empty circle. When to use open circle? Open circle is used for less than and greater than sign. Okay, and close circle for less than or equal to. Less than or equal to is this. Okay, this is less than. This is only less than. This is greater than. And or equal to. So how to read for these symbols? You read out correctly. This less than or equal to, this greater than or equal to. When to use closed circle means dark circle. Dark circle is used for less than or equal to and for greater than or equal to. Let's see here. The graph for x is greater than minus 2. Here minus 2, x takes the values. It doesn't take minus 2, but it takes more than minus 2. So be clear about this, meaning of this. Meaning of this. The graph for x is greater than minus 2. How to represent in the graph? How to show a number line? It means graph means in the number line. The graph for x is greater than minus 2. It doesn't because of that. So let's see here. So here we have to use open circle, not closed circle. Okay, let's see here. So here this is number line. Number line, you look here, it arrows in both the sides. It means we can extend. If we need, we can extend. It means number line is endless. Already you have done endless. Arrow indicates that, shows that unless we can extend this side or you can extend this side if necessary. Okay, now let's see here one positive numbers. Always, from 0, this is we can take as origin also. From this 0, right side of this positive numbers and left side of this negative numbers. So how to fill up, you know that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Now negative numbers left of the 0. Okay, so -2, -3, -4 like this. Okay, now we have to, this is number line is ready. Okay, but we have to show this. We have to represent this. X is greater than -2. So where is -2? You look here, here is -2. Just above this, you draw up above -2. Everyone look here. Okay, you draw open circle like this. Have you got open circle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now arrow, direction of arrow. The direction of arrow is very important. Which side you have to show the arrow? Towards east or towards west? Which side? It's very important. Okay, greater than -2 means it takes -1, 0, 1,
Right
2,
side.
3. Oh yeah, right side. From right side of this, but it doesn't take. This value -2 doesn't take, but it takes more than -2. So that's why we are using open circle. Now you look here, your arrow should be like this. You got the idea? Your arrow should be like this. So how long to draw this arrow? You can draw up to here, you can draw up to here, up to draw here. So just meaning is which side it is directing. It's important. But how long your arrow is, it doesn't up to here you can stop or up to here you can stop, no matter. But its direction is very, very important. So its direction is towards, it means right from this -2, not left. Because it takes the value more than -2 means -1 is more than -2, 0 is more than -2, 1 is more than -2. All these numbers right from -2, they are greater than -2. So greater this side. Maybe some of you are thinking -3, -4 is greater than -2. No, -3 is less than -2. -4 is less than -3. If you go left from the 0, its value decreases. -1, -2, -3, -4, it is going decreasing its value. But if you go right from the 0, its value increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't confuse. If you go from any integer, its value increases. If you go left from any integer, its value decreases. Okay, like this. You have to know. Now another graph for x is greater than or -2. Not only your single inequality here 2 using here greater than or equal to here 2. It means here the value is 2 also. So in this case, we have to use dark circle or closed circle. Let's see here. How to draw its graph. Okay. Now let's see here. This is number line. Now fill up the number line with us. Okay, before that, your integers. Okay. But okay, you look here. Okay, greater than 2. Where is 2 here? Not -2, 2. So just above you draw dark circle. It means closed circle. Here closed circle is small, but anyway it is closed. You look here. This circle is closed. Not like this. It is opened in number for x is greater than -2. It is opened, but here it is closed. It is, or we can say dark circle. So in this case also it is more than greater or greater or equal to 2. So In that case, if we are using here equal also, in that case, we have to use closed circle. Closed. Don't forget. If here is equal sign also, in that case, we have to use dark circle or closed circle. Now it's direction of arrow in the same direction. More than 2 or more than 2 means equal to 2. Sorry, equal to 2 or more than 2 means it takes 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. Here, from here it starts. Equal to 2. From equal to 2 it starts. Equal to 2 and more than that. 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it is not ending. Here indicates here other values exist here. Okay. Solution of single variable inequalities. Now let's see here. Okay. Okay, this, you look here. This also from your book. These are the properties of inequalities. Remember, these properties are very important while solving the inequalities. Sometimes sign changes from minus to plus, from plus to minus. And most of the rules are same as in equation, but some rules are different from in equation. Okay, let's see here. If A, B, and C are 3 real numbers, then real numbers means it may be counting numbers, it may be whole number, it may be integer. Okay, real numbers, 3 real numbers. Okay, if A is less than B, then you look here. If you are adding same quantity, you look here, same quantity, both sides of the inequality, you look here, then in that case, that sum is less than. That sum of left side is less than sum of right side. A plus C is less than B plus C. If A is less than B, for example, let's take, do you agree 1 is less than 3? Do you agree or no? 1 is less than 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay, if you add same real numbers, if you add same real number 2 here also 2, then as before, its result does not alter. Its result doesn't change. Okay, it doesn't change. It means before also it was 1 is less than 3. Here their sum again also less than. Okay, left less than right side. It means here we are adding 2 both sides. So here 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5. This is one property. Now another one. B number, if A is less than B, here also, then A minus C. Here we are subtracting the same number, same quantity from both sides of the inequality. Here also minus C, here also minus C. Okay. So in this case, their difference in part is less than difference from the right part. Okay, for example, we have here also same 1 is less than 3, then 1 minus 2 is less than 3 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So you look here, 2 you cannot subtract from 1. So we have to subtract 1 from 2, but you are subtracting from higher, having minus 2. So always the sign of bigger. Don't forget, always sign of bigger. So minus 2 from 2 you subtract 1, 2 minus 1, 1, but the sign of bigger, because sign from 2 is minus, so minus. So here 3 minus 2 is 1, so 3 is plus, so 3 minus 2 here plus 1 not necessary to write. Here in it means this is plus, positive 1. So minus 1 is less than 1. So you can see here also a graph, here minus 1, here plus 1. So already I said, if you go right, its value increases. If you go left, its value decreases. It means minus 1 is less than 1. So now another number, C, you look here. If A is less than B, here also, and C is greater than 0. C is greater than means C is positive. If C is positive number, then in that case, you look here. If you multiply both sides by the same positive number, here, positive number, You C, you are also multiplying by C, you are also by multiplying C. So in that case, product of the result does not change. Before also, this side was less than this side. Now in the product form also, this side is less than this. So in the case of division also, if you divide both sides of the inequality by the same positive quantity, positive number. Here we are dividing by C, here also dividing by C. In that case also, the result does not alter. It means quotient A by C is less than quotient of B by C. Now D number. Okay, D number is very, very important. Here A number, B number, C number, these properties are similar to equation. But here D number is different. Look, D number is very, very important. Many students, they spoil in the exam. They make, okay, not using this D number. If A is less than B and C is less than 0, C is less than 0 means negative. Negative, if less than 0, you look here, negative numbers. If you go left from the 0, negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If you go left from the 0, it means negative number. It means less than 0. These are less than 0. So, in that case, if you multiply, it was, you look here, A, before it was A less than B. But if you multiply both sides by negative numbers, you look here, now product is there. Okay, sign of trichotomy changes. Sign of trichotomy means this less than sign changes into more than. You look, if you are multiplying each side by negative quantity, and if you divide by negative quantity in each side, in that case also, if A divided by C means divided by negative quantity, it changes into positive. You look here, more than sign, negative, less than sign changes into more than sign. In which cases? In two cases, if applying in each side of the inequality by negative quantity, negative number, or if you are dividing in each side of the inequality by negative number, in that case also, sign of the trichotomy changes. Less than sign becomes more than becomes less than. Remember, note, I am giving you the sign of inequality must be changed. Less than to more than, or more than to less than, when the inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative number. This is very, very important. Already I told you, many students, they make the mistake here, not using this. They are multiplying in each side of the inequality by negative number, but they forget to change the sign of trichotomy. They don't change. If you are multiplying by negative number in each side of the inequality, less than sign changes into more than sign changes into less than. This is very, very important. Okay. So remember, so I am emphasizing for this D number. So remember,
सर यदि त्यहाँ पोजिटिभ नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई गरेको भए चाहिँ त्यो साइन चेन्ज हुँदैन थियो।
यहाँ अघि नै भनेको छ नि, यहाँ माथि देखेन, बुझेको छैन यहाँनिर, यो सी नम्बर बुझेको छैन, यसको मतलब मैले अघि नै भनिसकेँ। सी नम्बर भनेको के हो? सी इज ग्रेटर देन 0 भनेको पोजिटिभ नम्बर। यहाँ पोजिटिभ नम्बरले त मल्टिप्लाई गरेको छ त, यहाँ चेन्ज भएको छैन, मैले अघि नै भनिसकेँ। यसको मतलब यति बुझ्ने, नेगेटिभ नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा र डिभाइड गर्दा मात्रै साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ भनेपछि यसको मतलब के हो त भन्दाखेरि पोजिटिभ नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई र डिभाइड गर्दा चेन्ज हुँदैन भन्ने बुझ्नुपर्छ। यहाँ सी नम्बरमै भनिसकेको छ, अलरेडी आई हेभ एक्सप्लेन यु, सो ट्राई टु बी क्लियर। त्यही भन्न खोजेको, वाट यु आर आस्किङ नाउ, इट गिभ्स द आन्सर अफ युर क्वेसन इन सी नम्बर। Example express in number lines. अब यो चाहिँ मैले एक्सरसाइज, यु ओपन पेज नम्बर 202, सेम क्वेसन पेज नम्बर 202 बाट एक्सरसाइज 22.2 मा हेर्ने, सल्भ द फलोइङ इक्वालिटिज एन्ड एक्सप्रेस इन नम्बर लाइन्स भनेको छ, त्यही क्वेसन हो। यु लुक हियर, अब त्यसमा पनि सी नम्बर 7x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 16 एउटा अर्को नम्बर ओके 2 नम्बर चाहिँ लास्ट नम्बर भनेको क्यू नम्बरमा रहेछ 11 is less than or equal to 3x minus 2 less than or equal to okay not less than less than or equal to minus 5 okay look this एउटामा चाहिँ लेस देन साइन मात्रै छ अर्कोमा चाहिँ लेस देन अर इक्वल circle. In this case we have to use dark circle or closed circle. Remember when to draw open circle and when to draw closed circle. Okay, let's see solution for number 1. One number. Okay, पहिला यसको सोलुसन निकालौं अनि यसलाई चाहिँ त्यस पछाडी के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि ग्राफमा प्रेजेन्ट गर्ने. Okay, 7x we have given here 7x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 16 or 7x minus अब यसलाई रिमुभ गर्ने remove the bracket already you know we have to multiply by 2 2 ले x minus 3 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने सो 2 ले x लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि 2x माइनस माइनस प्लस यहाँ धेरैले बिगार्ने यो एउटा ठाउँ हो यो पनि बिगार्छ यहाँ माइनसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि साइन चेन्ज गर्दैन साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ while multiplying minus becomes plus. Less than 16 transpose this 6 to the right side. Our right side ma minus huncha. Okay, you know, sign changes from left to right. Transposing from, it means taking left to right. Like equation ma जस्तै हो यहाँ पनि साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ. So 5x is less than 16 minus 6 भनेको अब 16 बाट सबट्र्याक्ट गर्दाखेरि 10 5x less than 10. अब यहाँ के गर्न सकिन्छ पहिला जस्तै इक्वेसनमा जस्तै गरेको भए पनि हुन्थ्यो डिवाइड बाइ 5 इन इच साइड अफ द इनइक्वालिटी यहाँनिर त्यो गरेको भए राम्रो हुन्थ्यो है. अब यसलाई हेरौँ न त त्यसो गरेर हेरौँ. ओके लेट्स सी त्यो गर्नु राम्रो इन दिस केस. Okay. Wait for some time. Okay, now you look here. 5x here both sides we are dividing by 5. यहाँ हामीले पोजिटिभ नम्बरले डिवाइड गर्दैछौं. So the sign of trisotomy this inequality sign does not change. साइन चेन्ज हुँदैन. यति बेला पोजिटिभ क्वान्टिटीले डिवाइड गर्यो भने साइन चेन्ज हुँदैन. तर यहाँ नेगेटिभ क्वान्टिटीले डिवाइड गरेको भए साइन यो लेस देन साइन मोर देन हुन्थ्यो. अब यो 5 and 5 we can cut. अब बाँकी रह्यो x. Therefore x is less than 10 लाई 5 ले डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि हुन्छ. Now we got the solution. तर यसलाई के पनि देखाउनु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि ग्राफमा पनि देखाउनु पर्यो. Already you have idea how to show. Let's see here. यहाँ देखाउनु पर्यो. Okay, number line 0 भनेको we can take as origin 1 2 3 अब लेफ्ट साइड तिर -1 -2 -3 up to -3 यति भए पुग्छ. Okay, now where should be the circle? यहाँ कस्तो सर्कल हुने भयो? Anyone tell me? कस्तो सर्कल?
Open circle.
Open circle, yeah, open circle, yeah. ओपन सर्कल हुने भयो किन यहाँ जस्तो लेस देन ओन्ली लेस देन इक्वल साइन छैन. इक्वल साइन पनि भइदिएको भएदेखि वी हेभ क्लोज सर्कल. अब कहाँनिर हामीले सर्कल ड्रा गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि जस्ट एबभ 2 को माथि यहाँनिर सर्कल ड्रा गर्ने. यस्तो ड्रा गर्ने ओपन सर्कल अलरेडी यु सेट अब कुरा आयो ओन सर्कल ड्र गर्ने तर त्यसको एरो which side you have to direct it, which side, कतापट्टि
Left side.
left side, yeah,
side.
left side from 2. ओके, किन लेस देन भनेको छ नि, यता गयो भने त मोर देन हुन्छ, लेस देन 2 भनेपछि 1 0 -1 लिने भ्यालुजहरुपट्टि हुनु पर्यो. ओके, सो यु लुक एट नाउ इट्स डिरेक्सन यस्तो हुनु पर्यो. अब यो एरो चाहिँ कति लामो बनाउने त भन्ने कुरो यति मात्रै बनाए पनि भयो, यहाँसम्म ड्र गरे पनि भयो. ओके, इट डजन्ट मेक एनी डिफरेन्स. सो नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर नम्बर. अब यो भयो ग्राफिकल सोलुसन पनि भयो, यहाँ दुईटै कुरो भयो. नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर नम्बर. यो अलिकति गाह्रो छ है यो नम्बर चाहिँ. अब यो 2 नम्बर यो अलिकति भ्याउँदैन कि के हो. पहिला एटेन्डेन्स गरौँ.
Eliminate less.
ओके, अलि भ्याउँदैन जस्तो छ, अलिकति लामो छ. ओके, पहिला एटेन्डेन्स, लेट्स मेक एटेन्डेन्स.